Unlock effortless water adventures with the electric fin motor for kayaks and SUPs. Ready to take your kayaking or paddleboarding to the next level? The Saturn electric fin motor is here to transform your time on the water. Whether you're exploring, fishing, or cruising, this motor lets you glide for hours on a single charge. It's not just about making paddling easier. It's about giving you the freedom to go further and explore more. With a maximum speed of up to 4.5 or up to 5 miles per hour with paddle assist, you can easily increase your speed and cover more distance. Of course, your actual speed will depend on factors like weight, watercraft, and water conditions. But either way, you'll enjoy a smooth, effortless ride. Whether you're gently cruising or picking up the pace, the brushless motor provides smooth and powerful propulsion, so you can enjoy a quieter, more efficient ride. Plus, the wireless wrist remote puts you in full control, letting you adjust your speed and direction with the touch of a button. This motor is perfect for inflatable SUPs, kayaks, and more. It comes with multiple adapters to ensure a simple and secure installation. And for those with roto-molded kayaks, it's DIY friendly, allowing you to customize your setup with a rudder system. The Saturn electric fin motor isn't just about ease, it's about making your adventures last longer. Go ahead, spend more time on the water, and enjoy the ride without the effort of constant paddling.